hi to your friends on YouTube? Hi everyone, I'm Lambo. And I'm so handsome, and I wear my pink collar so well. Isn't that right, Lambo? It is. Hi, Bubba. Let's go say hi to our other friends. They're eating. Wow. Here we have Leo. Oh, and Lambo's getting his shine again. We have Mr. Leo, the tortoise. And he looks so handsome. And Miss Lambrina. Oh, there she is. Hi, Lambrina. Hi, baby girl. How are you? Hi. And Rambo. This is Rambo. Hi, Lambo and Lambrina. Hi. How are you guys? It's good to see you again. It's good to see you. You look so nice today. You look so nice today. Look. So should I come back to visit you guys? I'll come back, okay? We're gonna go get another introduction of all the other animals, okay? All of our other friends. And Lambo's over there. I'll be back, okay, guys? Oh. Oh. You didn't want me to leave so soon? Well, one thing about Lambrina is that she's going to tell you, she's going to speak her mind. She's going to tell you what she feels. And she just said, nope, I wasn't ready for you to leave yet. Okay. Well, I'll be back, okay? It won't be long. It won't be long. Yeah. I have to go say hi to our other friends, alright? Okay, see you soon. Come in and say hi. Hi, babies. Hi. I've missed you. Would you like to say hello? Hi, Papas. Easy. Oops, sorry. Don't want to scare you. This is Henry. Hi, Pepper and Lemon. Hi, babes. Hi. Oh, do you like this? Hi. Hi, Bubba. Hi. How are you? Hi, babes. So they're all here, gathering around. So guys, I'm gonna introduce you to our camera, okay? So this is our YouTube channel. So, I forget your name, babes, but I know you always want to kiss me. I know. I know, you want to kiss. But I forget your names. But you're beautiful. Oh, there's Mama Girl coming. She's coming. Yeah, so this is oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, look at Teddy. Here, I'm gonna put this over here so this doesn't get messed up. Hi, Bubba. Hi, Mama Girl. How are ya? Look, here's a camera. So look, I'm gonna show you to our YouTube channel. You wanna say hi to your YouTube friends? You wanna say hi? I think this one is pregnant. I think so, if I'm not mistaken. Are you pregnant, mamas? Yeah. Got it itchy? Yeah. It's so good to see you. Hi, Bubba. Did you think you were leaving? Huh? Did you think you were leaving today? Not yet, babes. Well, look at your little horns coming in. Oh, babes. Hi. Look at your little horns coming in. Hi. Teddy. Hi, big boy. How are you? You like the camera? Hi. Oh, you feel so clean. Did you take a bath, Teddy? Oh, you like my shoe. I see. You do too. Oh, okay. That's just rubber. And you? This is a camera, babes. Oh, I love your nose. It's so pretty. Are you hiding there? Hi, babes. Getting some rest? You look so cool. Eating his lunch. Don't mind me. How was your day today? Have some itchy spots? Yeah. How was your day today? Did you have a good day? Did you eat pretty good? Yeah? So what do you think about doing a funny skit? Do you think we should do like maybe like a talent show? See who has like the best talent? Would that be cool? Yeah. Okay. I think so too. So what are you thinking you want to do for your talent show? You don't know yet? Okay, well, I'll let you think about it, alright, babes? I'll be back. Oh, we have another friend coming up. Hi, baby. Hello. Hi, darling. How are you? How are you? You like the camera? Oh, you like my shirt.